channel. If you are new here, my name is Kiana. If you are not new here, then thank you so much for being patient with me. It has literally taken me forever to create a new vlog about my locks, but here I am in the flesh, and this is my 3-month lock update. Yay! So I've been reading everyone's comments, and those of you who've left me compliments, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Some people have some criticism because I decided to start my locks off with twists and not interlock. People are upset because I refer to my locks as sister locks and not Microlocs. And basically, like, I don't give a f. They're my locks. They're healthy. I did them myself. I'm extremely proud. And if you don't like them, then there are plenty of other vloggers who make videos. Go watch some of theirs. I love mine. I love the progress that they've made. I really cherish this set because I did the entire thing myself. So it's very sacred to me. My hair is very healthy. So all the negativity, don't even think about bringing it this way, because I'm telling you now, I don't give a f. Let's hit a few different bullet points so that I can kind of tell you guys my experience having locks, or micro locks, or sister locks, whatever you prefer to call them. So for those of you who do not know, I installed my locks back in January. I don't know the date for sure, but I'll link the video either in the description or somewhere in here if YouTube lets me. But I installed them back in January, and I used the twist method. So I still, divided my hair into like 12 sections and installed them myself. It took me like 3 days. Like I said, if you haven't seen that video, I forgot where I left off. I used twists instead of interlocking because I did not feel comfortable doing interlocks because I wanted to make sure that I liked the sizing of my locks. So for me, it was better to start off with a 2-strand twist and interlock for maintenance. So that's what I did. I started my locks with a 2-strand twist, and so far I have interlocked my hair in 2 sessions for maintenance. So the first time I interlocked my hair was like the beginning of March, maybe 3 weeks after I did the twist, 3 or 4 weeks. And then I just interlocked my hair again like a week ago. So this is the second time that I interlocked, and yeah, so far I love them. They're very easy to maintain. The only thing that I don't like about them is it takes literally forever to relock the roots. Like, it takes me, the first time I did a retie, it took me 5 days. The second time that I did a retie, it only took me 3 days. So I think that if you start out with a twist, it does take longer to do that first initial retie because you have to actually establish your lock like for real. So once you get your locks established that first time, you're pretty much good to go from there. Like I said, it took me 3 days to do my retie the second time. Ooh, why did I hold up 3 fingers? Stop, you're making me nervous.
Sorry, you just look so beautiful.
Thanks. So to shampoo my locks, I shampoo them once every other week. And in order to do that, I basically braid my hair up into about, I would say like 10 to 12 braids, very small sections. And I just shampoo around the braids. And this is actually a braid out from where I shampooed my hair and took the braids out. So if you would like to see a tutorial on how I shampoo my locks, leave a comment below and I will make that video. Daily maintenance for my locks, what do I do like every day? So probably not every day, but every other day, I do spray my locks with water. And then I like to apply vitamin E oil, especially to my ends, because I like how my ends are still like, you probably can't tell because of the braid out, but my ends are still like very curly, especially because I started out with a twist, so they haven't locked yet. I really like that they're curly, and I really want them to stay like that. So I actually moisturize my ends so that they stay loose. But my roots, I just apply some, what is that? Whatever oil that is that comes in the white bottle, or you can get it in the yellow bottle that everybody uses. I put some of that on my scalp like every other day as well. Or if I run out of that, I'll just use some Jamaican black castor oil. So in terms of nighttime care, this is what I sleep using. is nothing other than just like a lock sock. You can use them for braids. I actually bought this when I had my first set of locks and kept up with it surprisingly. So now I use it for these locks. And I really like it. It stays on my head easily. It doesn't come off in the middle of the night or anything. So I highly recommend it. You can buy it pretty much from any hair supply store. So if the hair supply store is open in your state and you have locks, you should definitely go pick one up because they are clutch, especially after I wash my hair, because they hold my braids like in place really, really well. Like sometimes if I use a bonnet, my locks will go like this, or if I have the braids in for like a braid out, my braids will go up and it doesn't set right. So I really like the lock sock because it kind of keeps everything down and in place. I just need to make a closing for this video and then I'll be done with it. So yeah, that's pretty much my 3-month lock update. It's been pretty chill. Nothing crazy has happened. I've honestly enjoyed it. I like having sister locks more than having the traditional locks, just because I feel like these are more fun. I can do more with them. So if you guys want to see more styles or whatever, just leave a comment in the description box, or in the description box. Just leave a comment below so that I know like what type of content you guys like, because I don't always know what to do. I'm still trying to figure out this lock thing. So as I figure it out, I would love to share it with you guys, but I need to know what y'all want to see. So let me know below what y'all want to see and we can see if we can make that happen. I will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.